I welcome all of you in the lesson number 15 for grade 2 mathematics. A quick revision what we did yesterday. We completed page number 122, testing zone. There was a question number 2 related to question number 1 related to the pattern in shapes. Triangle is square, then triangle. So obviously we draw here square. We identified the pattern that there are after 3 shapes the pattern is repeated, and it's triangle, square, triangle. So no, after every 2 shape the pattern was repeated. Triangle square, then triangle square, then triangle. So it will be square. In D we again check. So it is one triangle and then 2 circles. One triangle, one circle. Obviously then it is going to be the second circle because in the pattern after triangle there are 2 circles. So it should be circle, not triangle. On E, when you check the pattern, it is square, circle, triangle. Square, circle, triangle. So we identified it that after every 3 shapes, the pattern is repeated. After square, it is circle, and after circle, it is triangle. And after triangle, the pattern is repeated. Again square, again circle, and again triangle. So here the pattern is finished up to triangle. So again you will start from square, and if I ask you to draw what will come next, so you will say it's a circle and then it will be triangle. Question number 2 was related to the pattern in the numbers. You check the pattern. This was about counting in twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So you write it's 14. For B, you check the pattern. This was counting in tens. Counting in 20s. 20 plus 20 equals to 40, 40 plus 20 equals to 60, 60 plus 80, 60 plus 20, 80, and 80 plus 20, 100. So you write here 100. And on the C, the pattern was about counting in fives. So after 15, when you add 5, 20, 30, when you add 5, it is 35. The pattern of D was counting in threes, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36. So you add 3 in 36 and you find 39. The E was little different. This was about counting in tens, but you can see here how you identified this pattern, because you know whenever you add any number, whenever you add 10 in any number, so its one position remains same. Only you change the value of the tens position by adding one. So you look 7 7 same on the place, only 1 2 3 4, you are adding 1 in the tens. So after 67, the 7 is same, you add 1 and 6, it is 677. Question number 3 was about skipping counting in fives by making your own. I made this 10 15 20. You can make 50 55 60 65 70 75 like this. Same for the alphabet pattern in a reverse alphabetical order. I write EDC. You can make any ZXY or WTUV. So you can say VUT, like any alphabetical pattern you can make with 3 alphabets. Question number 5 was homework. And guys, I received some of you send me the answers, but some students make mistakes. That's why what we are going to do today, I'll tell you how you have to make this pattern by changing the direction of into clockwise or anti-clockwise. First we will see this, then today we are going to start a new topic, that is measurement. Okay, it is on page number 125 and a new unit, and today we'll discuss about measuring length. So first, for question number 5, I'm going to share a new screen with you. Can you see the new screen, guys? Yes.
Yes,
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 yes.
yes.
Very good, very good.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Guys, in question number 4, we see, again, I come here to the book. You can see in question number 5, create a pattern using the given shape. Here, the shape is triangle. This shape is triangle, and you have to rotate the shape in anti-clockwise. Rotation means you have to move this shape anti-clockwise, guys, like you have to move from right to left like this. From here to there, it should be like this. Okay, this is anti-clock, and for clock means you have to move like this, like clock moves. Okay, so this is a triangle. Again, I am going back to that new screen. Look at that screen, guys. I'm going to draw a triangle here. This is a triangle. This is a triangle. Okay, now what we will do here, we have to move it anti-clockwise. Okay, anti-clockwise means I will move this triangle in that direction. So if you move any triangle in anti-clockwise, so how will it be? I'll show you. This will be like this. When I move it anti-clockwise, so this corner move up to left side and the shape will look like this. Is it clear, guys?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, very good.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, you know.
Very good, guys. Now I will move again one time more. I will move this shape into anti-clockwise. So this shape I will move one more time. When I move one more time, anti-clockwise means I will move it like this. So you can see, guys, this was the corner was on the top first. When you move it anti-clockwise, it comes to the left. This is this one, and then it comes to the down, and this the baseline move to the up. So the boxes in your book were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can make three more now. Okay, this is here, this is here. Now you will move it one more time. 4. You will see it will come again like this, and then it will be like this. Let me make it in one line. Okay, this was simple triangle. You moved anti-clockwise this, and then again you move like this. Then again you got the real shape, and this is how three boxes will be completed. This is anti-clockwise rotation of triangle. Is that clear, guys?
Yes. No.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Yes,
Yes.
sir.
You have to draw these triangles in the book, question number 5. Okay, I see the chat box. Who is this? Abdul Aziz. What you are writing? Sharif Ahmed. You will see this rotation and you will check your homework. You will find out what was your mistake. Okay. The next shape was, guys, heart, and you have to move it clockwise. Okay. You have to move the heart clockwise. Look, this is I'm going to draw a heart. This is heart. This is the first shape. Now you have to move clockwise. So guys, you will move it clockwise like to the right direction. This. Okay. Then you will move one more time to the right of the to the right side. Okay. Let me make it straight. Yes, guys. So you can see here I moved clockwise. So you can see this part comes to the right side, and when I move one more time clockwise, so this parts come go down, and when I move it one more time clockwise, so this part will come up here. Look, this is when I move it clockwise, it will come like this. One, two, and three, and again the fourth will be the same. When you move it one more time, it will be same. So this is shape one, moved one time, two time, three time, four time. How many boxes were there? Five, six. So fifth will be again this, and sixth will be again this. So this is how you will complete the heart into clockwise direction. One, two, three, four, five, six. Is it clear, guys?
Sir, now I know the mistake.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Sir,
Yes.
I know the
I
mistake.
know your
Very
mistake.
good, very good, very
Sir,
good.
Thank you, Fred.
sir,
Yes.
sir, I now I do the mistake. Then
Very
I
good.
know the mistake.
Good, Sharif. Good. I'm listening you. I know you have identified your mistake. That's why, and some of other students also make mistake. That's why I repeat in the class that how you have to make clockwise or anti-clockwise. Okay. So this is the way you have to know. Okay, guys. Any question now? If you have any question related to the whole chapter, pattern in shapes, pattern in numbers, and pattern in alphabets, clockwise or anti-clockwise movements, directions. So you can tell me, you can send the message in the chat box. I can take your question because we are going to start now new unit. Okay, measurement. And in the next week, inshallah, I'm going to take the test of this unit pattern. Okay, so if you have any question related to patterns, so you can send message in the chat box. I can open your mic and I can take your question. Anyone? If no questions, then we will start the next unit. Okay, Hamido, very good. All right, guys. That's mean you don't have any question. That's very good of you. Let's move to the book again. Muhammad Farooq. Okay, he's saying Muhammad Farooq. Muhammad Farooq saying he's having question. Okay, I will take Muhammad Farooq. Where is he? Yes, Muhammad.
Where is the test of the PM don't be? Is it like don't be on 4 o'clock or 6 o'clock or what number?
Test will be in next week. Okay, and it
Next
will
week?
be yes, next week.
Okay,
Inshallah. And I will mention it in the weekly plan. When you check the weekly plan, you will get to know when on which day I'm going to take your test. Okay, and it will be related to the patterns only. Okay, pattern in shapes, pattern in alphabets, pattern in numbers, or this direction, clockwise and anti-clockwise. Clear?
clear thing.
Thank you.
Okay.
All right, guys, let's move to the new. Yes, Sharif, you can erase, you can check your mistake and rectify it. Okay, come to the book again, guys. Open page number 125 of your book. We are going to start a new unit, that is measurement. That is measurement. The topic which we are going to start today, that is measuring length. Measuring length. It is on page number 125. Open your books, page number 125. Page number 125. Open your book, guys. Suleiman. Okay, I am opening your mic. Yes, Suleiman.
I didn't understand question 5.
Patterns.
Yes.
Okay, look here. Suleiman, you know about, I have explained you about the clockwise or anti-clockwise direction, right? You know it? This is clock, okay? If you see the clock, in the clock, if you see the second, so it will move like this, okay? First it will be here, then there, then there, then there, then there, okay? Like this. It will not move like this. If you see, it will not move like this. First here, then here, then here, okay? So if you see the clock always moves in a clockwise direction like this, from this side to this side. Whereas anti-clockwise means opposite of clockwise. In anti-clockwise, we see this is the direction of anti-clockwise. So look at this triangle. This triangle you have to move, you have to rotate anti-clockwise. That's mean this part should be here now, okay? And these two parts, when you move it up to like this side, so how it will be. So that's, I show you in the new screen here. This was the normal triangle. When you moved this triangle anti-clockwise, so look, this part comes here. When you move it like this, this corner came here, and these two corners are now on the right side of it. Now you have to move again anti-clockwise. So this corner, when you move it, it will come down here like this, and these two will go up. When you move one more time, so this corner again will go there, and you will make like this, okay? If you see in this heart, this is, you have to move clockwise, okay? Clockwise you move one time, this position move to the right side, then this position you can see come here, one more time you move right side, it comes here, and again on the top. Is that clear?
Yes.
Very good.
Yes.
Very good. I explained it again. Guys, check this. Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. No, just wait for a while, guys, for Azan. No, no. All right. So I hope you must have opened page number 125, guys.
Yes, I open
Yes.
it.
Yes. Yes.
There is no.
Very good. So we start the measuring length, guys. I'm going to read it, what is written in the book. You can measure the length. Okay, what we can do, guys? Measure. So guys, everything, whatever we have, we can measure it. Okay, how we can measure? You can measure the length. Okay, we are talking about the length of an object. Okay, any object, I mean, using other smaller objects such as paper clips or buttons. Okay, Each of these small objects can stand for 1 unit. So let's suppose guys, I want to know the length of this pencil. This is the pencil. I want to see that the pencil which I am having is bigger or my friend is having is long. So what I will do, I can measure the length. I can measure the length with any small object. If you look here in the example of the book, paper clips are used to measure this pencil. One paper clip I will consider as 1 unit. So this pencil clip is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 paper clips long. This pencil is 5 paper clips long. Okay. So if I find out the length of this pencil with the help of paper clip, so I can say that this is 5 paper clip long. When I check my friend's pencil, so this was only 4. Like if I just draw a line, I'm not drawing a pencil here, just drawing a line here. Let's suppose this is the pencil. So my friend pencil was only 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 paper clips long. So I have long pencil than my friend. So that is what book is also explaining, that for measurement we can use any small objects. Same as button, you can see guys, to measure this pencil, we can also use buttons. We place the pencil here and we check with the help of buttons 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So this pencil is 8 buttons long. If you want to know any other object you want to measure with the help of button, so you can measure it with the help of buttons also. Okay. So what we get to understand, what we understand here, that for measurement of any object, we can use smaller objects and we can take one object as a 1 unit and we can check how much long is that. You can measure your razor, your sharpener, your scale, your box, your geometry box. You can measure anything, your toy if it is straight, okay? So you can measure anything with the small objects. Let's move further. You can then give the length of objects you're measuring in units, and you can also use a ruler to help you measure the length of an object. Except these smaller objects, you can also use your ruler, which will help you to measure the length of any object. If you don't have ruler, you can use these smaller objects like buttons and paper clips. And if you have ruler, so you can use ruler also to measure this. Okay. The length from the 0 mark to the 1 mark on the ruler below is 1 centimeter. So you can see guys, the ruler starts from 0 and 15. This ruler unit which we are using, that is centimeter. Okay. So the length from 0 mark to the 1 mark on the ruler is 1 centimeter. I mean from this mark to this mark, this distance is, this length is 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter. 2, 3, 4, 5, and you can see it is up to 15. So this ruler is 15 centimeter long and it can measure the objects which are 15 centimeter long or less than 15 centimeter long. Okay. So this ruler can measure up to 15 centimeter. We can write 15 centimeters in that way also, or we can just write cm instead of centimeter. First tell me guys, whatever I have explained, is it clear to you?
Clear.
Yes.
Very good.
Yes.
Clear.
Yes.
Clear.
Very good. Now tell me, I would like to ask one question. If you want to measure your pencil, so which objects you can use except ruler, which objects you can use, which smaller objects you can use to measure the length of the pencil? Please share with me in the chat box. Anyone, if you want to measure your pencil, hmm, except ruler, which smaller objects you can use to measure the length of your pencil? I think like what, Saud? Okay, Elias, ruler. But except ruler, what you can use like buttons, okay, paper clip, Sharif Ahmad, okay. Yeah, first you don't tell me why to unmute and write your full name, please. Okay, paper clip, very good answer by Sharif. Miraj, ruler, okay, we can use ruler. Saud is saying razor also. We can use razor and we can consider razor as a one unit and we can check how many razors long. Okay, that's very good. Why, Yad, why? And write your full name, please. Are you Yad Mustafa or Yad Shami? All right, guys, that's very good. Good response from all of you. So we can use a razor also, paper clip also, buttons also. Okay, we can use smaller objects to measure pencil or bigger objects like that. But we will use that when we don't have a scale. If we have a scale, it's very easy for us to use ruler for measurement. Right, guys? Now you all understand that your ruler is its values. This numbers are written. These are in centimeter. From this point, 0 point up to 1 point, its length is 1 centimeter. So this number all are written, that's mean they all are in centimeter. So if any object you place in, if any object you would like to measure and you place it and its length is, let's suppose if I draw a line here, it comes up to 5. So you will say, sir, it is 5 centimeter long. Okay. If you draw one line, let's suppose I need to draw a line here. Let's suppose if I draw one line here from 0 up to 9, and I will ask you, can you tell me how much long this line is? Yes, guys, can you tell me how much long this line is? Very good. Muhammad Farooq, Ilyas, very good. Suleiman, very good. Yad Mustafa, wait, let me finish it first. Sharif, very good. Abdul Rahman, very good. Zaid, very good. Okay. All right, guys. So you can easily say, sir, this is 9 centimeter long because at the end of this reach up to 9 and it is started from 0. So it is 9 centimeter long. This line is 9 centimeter long. Okay. Let me take Yad Mustafa with me. Yes, Yad Mustafa. Yad Mustafa.
Sir, sir,
Yes. Yes.
we will, sir,
Yes.
we will take time and money.
Sorry.
We will take time and money.
For what? Are you talking about the chapters? We are going to start. Listen, yeah, we are going to we have started measurement chapter. Okay, we will discuss that. Okay, what we are going to study after that, I'll tell you later. Fine. Thank you. Okay, guys. So you know it that if you want to measure any object, any line, so you will measure, you will put it up to the zero side and you will check up to what number it is, the end of is reaching up to what number. Look here, this is also a ruler. Here, pencil, razor and paper clip. You are measuring these three things with the help of ruler. Okay, you check this pencil, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, it is up to 50. But look at this pencil, it starts from 0 and it's reached up to 13. So if I ask you, tell me how much long this pencil is, so you will say, sir, this is 13 centimeter long. Not 12, guys. Check this line, this dotted line. In the book, it is also shown a dotted line. Check this dotted line and straight it is reaching up to 13. So this pencil is 13 centimeter long. How much long? I will say, students, this pencil is 13 centimeter. I will write centimeter as cm, 13 centimeter long. How could I measure any pencil? I will take my ruler and the one end of the pencil I will put up to 0 and I will check up to which number the other end is reaching. So when I put this pencil, one end of this pencil up to 0, I check the other end. So it is reaching up to 13. So I will say that this pencil is 13 centimeter long. Let's check this razor. I put this razor again on 0 and check how much long this razor is. So it is reaching up to this number, that is 4. So I will say that razor is 4 centimeter long. And when we talk about this paper clip, so it's, I also keep this, also use a ruler to measure this paper clip. Put one end on the 0 and check another end. So this is 2. This paper clip is 2 centimeters long. Are you getting my points, guys? How you have to measure with the help of ruler?
Yes.
That's
Yes.
very good.
Here,
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Very good.
Yes,
Very
yes,
good.
yes.
Very good. Now you know that you can measure anything with the help of smaller objects also if you don't have ruler. If you have ruler, so you can use ruler to measure things. A ruler has the numbers, and this ruler, you can see these all numbers are in centimeter. The distance between 0 to 1 is 1 centimeter. So this ruler is 15 centimeter long. So it can measure the objects which are 15 centimeter long or less than 15 centimeter long. You use pencil, you check your pencil, your razor and your paper clip with the help of ruler, how long they were. Guys, your class time is finished. Inshallah, I'll continue in the next class from here and we will practice to measure different things with the help of ruler. Until then, take care of yourself and be ready for the test, which is on next week. I'll meet you into the next class. Take care. Bye bye.
bye
Bye.
Bye
bye.
bye, sir.
Bye,
Bye
sir.
Bye
bye.
bye.
Bye bye,
Bye
sir.
Bye
bye.
bye.